Assalamu alaikum class 11th subject physics. Today's topic is power. Let's define power of a body is defined as the rate at which the body can do work. That is, power is equal to rate of doing work, which is equal to work divided by time. So what power is? Power of a body is defined as the rate at which the body can do work. The body can do work. So rate at which work is done, that means in a particular time how much a body can do work. Rate of doing work done by time taken. For instance, we have two bodies, body A and body B. If body A does work of 10 joule, because unit of work is joule. If body A does work of 10 joule in 1 minute, and if body B does 20 joule of work in 1 minute, how we can compare the power of the two bodies? Body A does work of 10 joule in 1 minute. Body B at the same time, body B does work of 20 joules in 1 minute. So this body does more work in the same time as the body A does. Both the bodies are working for the same time period, that is 1 minute. Body A does 10 joules in 1 minute, body B does 20 joules in 1 minute. That means body B has more power. That means power of an agent is the measure of how fast it can do work. So what power is? Power of an agent is the measure of how fast it can do work. When a body takes, here in this example it is clear, when a body takes lesser time to do a particular amount of work, its power is said to be more or greater. See here in the example, we'll quote another example, body A, body B. Body A does a work done of 100 joule. Also body B does a work of 100 joule. For instance, body A takes 10 seconds and body B takes 20 seconds. In order to do a work of 100 joule, we have two bodies. One body takes 10 seconds to do work of 100 joules and second body B takes 20 seconds to do the same work of 100 joule. So this body, out of these two, body A has more power. Body A has more power as compared to body B. That means body A does greater work, more work in less time as compared to the body B. The body, power, will write relation power, which is rate of doing work, that is work by time. But work done is force into displacement, dot product of force and displacement divided by time. F vector, S vector by T can be represented as velocity because displacement by time is velocity. So power P can also be expressed as force vector into velocity vector, dot product of force vector and velocity vector. So hence we can define power of an agent as the dot product of force applied and velocity of the body acquired. Now units of power. SI unit of power is watt. P is equal to work. Work is measured as joules and time is measured as second. So joule per second in SI, which is called watt, it's also known as watt. So SI unit of power is joule per second, which is known as 1 watt, which is also named as watt. How can we define power of an agent? Power of an agent is said to be, power of an agent is said to be 1 watt. 1 watt. If it can do a work of 1 joule in 1 second. Bigger units of power are kilowatt, which is 10 to the power 3 watt, megawatt, which is 10 to the power 6 watt. Another popular unit of power, which is mostly used in engineering, is called horsepower. Horsepower, denoted by HP. 1 HP is equal to 746 watt. Thanks.